Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoTo Meeting account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or an organizer from your GoTo Meeting account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove or delete an admin from your GoTo Meeting account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or other assistants, but sometimes they go their own way, so you need to delete access to your meeting account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoTo Meeting dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoTo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove an admin, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initials. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Edit Profile. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see more information about your profile. However, in order to delete or remove an admin or an organizer, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little person icon. Once you click there, you're going to see another drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Admin Center. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see these four options to the left, and to delete or remove an admin, click on the person icon. Once you click there, you're going to see all of the admins or organizers that you have set up. And in order to delete or remove an admin, there's a couple of different ways you can do it. The first and easiest way is just hover over their name. Once you do that, you're going to see these three dots to the right, and you can click on there. Once you click there, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Delete. You can also downgrade their role and limit their permissions, or you can go ahead and suspend. But if you know that person is not going to be working in your GoTo Meeting, you can simply delete them. Now, if you don't see that for some reason, you can go ahead and just click the box next to their name. Once you do that, you're going to see this little trash can pop up here on the right, and just click on Delete. Once you click there, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you're going to be okay deleting that admin from your GoTo Meeting? They do let you know it is permanent and it cannot be undone. If you're okay with that, click on Delete. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an admin from your GoTo Meeting account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.